To CAD learning tutorial. In this tutorial, we learn about something SolidWorks introduction. My, tut- my tutorial in introduction to SolidWorks. My channel name is CAD Learning Tutorials. I will explain one by one. Okay. Definition of a SolidWorks. How to define a SolidWorks? SolidWorks is a product development solution that lets you conceptualize, create, validate, communicate, manage, and transfer your innovation ideas into a great product design. SolidWorks solution provide easy to learn and extremely powerful functionality that shorten product development time and reduce the cost and improve the quality. Then let's know about the SolidWorks. This is the SolidWorks software, and this is the shaft or gear assembly. Basic, you know that the CAD, computer aided design. Computer aided design CAD is the method of using a computer with CAD software in the sense of SolidWorks. Different type of software are available in the market, but you will design with the help of SolidWorks. For designing and drafting application, CAD has taken the place of a manual drafting. What is drafting? I will explain the drafting. First, you will listen the end of the videos. The drafter or designer create a 3D model. This is the 3D model. Okay, or 2D engineering drawing for a part using a CAD software with the help of a SolidWorks. 2D drawing, this is the 2D drawing with the help of SolidWorks. This is the 2D drawing with the help of 2D representation in. Okay, this drawing is a 2D drawing. 4 holes are here, and 4 holes 9 through and 15 depth and 8.6 depth, height, and 4 number of holes is 4, and then here is also. Okay, so this is the representation of 2D drawing, and this is the representation of 3D model with the help of a different toolbar. Okay, CAM, computer aided manufacturing. Computer aided manufacturing CAM used to computerize to assist the creation and modification of a manufacturing controlled data plans and operation to operate a machining tools. CAM software is used to convert the geometry into the computer numerical control CNC. You know that the CNC that that is read the CNC machine tools. You will save the file in the parasolid binary. SolidWorks CAM. It is the rule-based technology enable you to integrate the design and manufacturing one application connecting design. Okay, connecting design and manufacturing team throughout a common software tools with the help of extrude, revolve, sweep, loft, extrude cut. Okay, and 3D models. CAM is the added to all the visualization of a SolidWorks CAD that you will prepare your design for the. First you will click here and then This is the representation. If you to see a 2D, okay, and extrude some height, and you will easy to edit in this model. Okay, then it is the form of CAE, computer aided engineering. Computer aided engineering, CAE, the model of using computers in the design and analysis and manufacturing of a product, process and project. CAE, computer aided engineering, for machining, designing, product development, automation, some of the most familiar elements of a CAE soft surface and model tree and simulation, analysis, testing, all the optimization, mechanical structure and system digital prototyping, finite element analysis. With the helper, you will easy to where is all the tools, simulation, analysis, presentation. You will first you go here and where is tool, right click, back, okay, zoom in, zoom to fit. Some issues, this the drawing, and you will see different drawing. Okay, this is the models. Okay, with the help of a SolidWorks. Simulation toolbar is here. Okay, CAE. If you want to some analysis, look like a static, thermal, frequency, bulk modeling, drop test, fatigue, different types of test you will applied for model. CAE and PDM, product data management. Product data management is the function of a business that is the most commonly within PLM, product life cycle management, which is the representative of a data in a product, in application and manage in the term of a continuous version. Okay, see, if you want to apply the appearance, go through here and apply some appearance. Okay, here. Look like here. Okay, this is the introduction and different tools bar of SolidWorks. Different modules are also present. Feature, okay, and sketching, surface toolbar are here, and sheet metals, weldment, structure, all are here. Look like feature, sketch, surface, sheet metal, and weldment. All features are explained in the next tutorial. First, you will see here. This is the hole. Okay, this is the cut. So please subscribe my channel for more videos in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.